That's Mike for Custom Cruisers. Great bit of kit here. You got a vented primary, or even not a vented primary, but you got a belt drive. You want some air in here, okay? Easy way of doing it. Here's your vented derby cover, okay? So that means the air can come in here, and better still, you can drop this baby in here. Therefore, the air will go in here and out here, which means technically you don't really need all this lot as well, unless you live in America or somewhere really hot, which obviously, unfortunately, we don't. So if you want to keep your primary cool and you've got a belt drive internal, rather than space out the original cover like a lot of people are, okay, we can do it this way. So this is an amazingly cool way of doing it. If you're interested in this great stuff, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu, okay? You can see all these people saying we are the biggest supplier. I'm sorry, dream on, you never will be. We've done this shit since the 80s. We've got stuff you wouldn't believe. We've got Norton forks, we've got Beezer forks, we've got BMW 12-inch overs, 6-inch overs, 8-inch overs. We've got CB900 Z1s, you know, we've got panhead stuff, we've got shovel stuff. But as you can see in here, a good example of the kind of gear we keep. These are all your billet 6 calipers. You know, we've got your normal calipers, your ultimate calipers, we've got brake upgrades, big starters, just masses and masses, all your pads, Harley Japanese M18 stuff, hyperchargers. You know, we really have got more than anyone. That's just not bragging, that is the truth. Fed up with all these people saying Britain's largest stock. It's absolute bullshit. We always have been, we always will be. We keep it in. We don't use someone else's stock list to say we've got this and it's shipped from Germany where you hit taxes. This is actually what is in stock. You can see it. Okay, and upstairs 3,500 square foot of stuff, 40-50 billet wheels. You know, we got S&S motors, built well, Simpson, proper Simpson, American made, not the ones made in Europe, apart from that one, which is to get the type approval. Luggage, just massive progressive suspension, held gear, very, very good, top of the range held. You know, with your fenders, got some used parts. Delcron primaries, very rare bit of kit now. We've got Super Bs, Super Gs, carburetors, Mikunis, pattern Mikunis, you know, you name it. If we ain't got it, I'm sorry, you don't need it. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. Bags of nitrous, different sizes as well, customcruisers.com, or the new site which is coming along and will be, you know, your top of the range one soon, customcruisers.eu. okay, even welding helmets, masses of stuff. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or as I say, the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.